Good morning, everyone. We have a beautiful day. Another beautiful day in Queensland. It's still winter. Uh, it's approximately 20 degrees, no wind. We decided to spend this weekend on the boat, although we are not going anywhere because we just want to chill, relax. I am now heading to the shops just to get some breakfast ingredients. I'm thinking eggs, definitely, bacon, and we'll see what I will be able to find. If you're curious to see what we eat when we are on the boat, stay, watch, relax, and let me cook that. We met some friends. Hello, buddy. Do you want to be a YouTube star? Burning some calories before breakfast. I'm back from my bike ride and from my groceries. I'm prepared to do some breakfast. It was supposed to be a breakfast, however it's nearly 12, so it's gonna be rather lunch. So the restaurant that we used to go to in the marina was just recently closed, and the lovely owners decided to retire, leaving us with no food supply. So now we just need to cook. Let's see how the eggs in the pot look like. They are in the air fryer now, and I must admit that when I was putting them to the air fryer, some of the eggs jumped outside of the boat, so hopefully it will still be eatable. Let's check it out. Well, I think it's ready. It's not exactly what I was expecting to get. I was hoping for more liquid yolk. I'm done with my cooking for today. I must admit the cake looks good. I can't wait to try it. I brew a coffee, so the plan is just to have a coffee and a slice of a cake on the boat. In regards to my eggs on the boat, lunch. I was expecting this dish to be a bit different. I think I just probably set up a hello. I think I have set up a temperature a bit too high, and therefore went not the way I was expecting it. Though it was beautiful, it was good, but yes, sometimes the expectations are a bit higher than the reality. I guess that's life. One more thing before I forget. I can see you are watching my videos. I can see some movement on the channel. However, I would be really grateful if you could just drop me a line, subscribe, share my video. That would be really motivating for me because I could see basically that something is going on the other side. I would also like to encourage you just to leave comments with dishes that you would like to see, you would like me to cook. Just, challenge me. The bigger challenge, the better video, I guess. Okay, bye bye.